Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana, the country's highest civilian honor. Earlier, PM Modi and Ghana President John Dramani Mahama held delegation-level talks, and the two nations agreed to elevate their ties to a comprehensive partnership. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit in Trinidad and Tobago tonight on the second leg of his five-nation visit. He will hold talks with the President of Trinidad and Tobago, Christian Carla Canglo, and Prime Minister Kamla Persad Bisesar and discuss further strengthening of bilateral relations in Port of Spain. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar questioned Western nations for not supporting India's position on terrorism and stressed the need for a more unified global response. Odisha has surged ahead to become the top destination for private investments in India in the first quarter of the 2025-26 financial year, attracting an impressive Rs 1.4 lakh crore in proposals. The Odisha government requested the public to share any information related to the tragic stampede near the Gundicha temple in Puri during the Rath Yatra on June 29 that left 3 people dead and 50 others injured. In a major push to deliver justice to victims of fraudulent chit fund schemes in the state, the Odisha government has refunded Rs 47.07 crore to 1,26,137 small investors over the past 1 year. Vigilance sleuths today launched simultaneous raids at 6 locations linked to Dileswar Majhi, an assistant executive engineer of Titlagarh, R&B subdivision in Balangir district, over allegations of amassing disproportionate assets beyond his known source of income. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Suresh Pujari today urged the striking OAS and ORS officers to resume duty in light of the ongoing flood situation and Rath Yatra festivities. The officers are protesting the assault of BMC Additional Commissioner Ratnakar Sahu. The IMD forecast heavy to very heavy rain and thunderstorm with lightning, with gusty surface wind speed reaching 30 to 40 km per hour is very likely to occur at 1 or 2 places over the districts of Bargarh, Jharsuguda, Sambalpur, Sundargarh, and heavy rain over many places in Odisha during the next 24 hours. India resumed play on day 2 of the second test in the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy series against England this afternoon at Edgbaston, Birmingham. India were 4-1-2 for 5 at the end of 107 overs on the second day. Skipper Shubman Gill with 164 runs and Ravindra Jadeja with 88 runs were at the crease. Diego Jota and his brother Andres Silva tragically died in a car accident in Zamora, Spain. Liverpool and the Premier League expressed deep sorrow over the heartbreaking news.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।